In this module of the Microsoft Teams tutorial, I'll briefly go over how to make video or audio calls using Microsoft Teams. Now, this is not using a telephone system. This is just using a soft phone for Microsoft Teams within the Calls module in Teams. So we go here to Calls, and then we can search for a name. You can search in your contacts and by adding contacts or linking this to your Microsoft Outlook contacts. Search for the individual here. Once you have located the individual, then if you want to make a video call, you would simply press video. If you like this video, please press like, subscribe, and then click on the bell icon.